Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths. So today we are going to solve a very nice aptitude question. Here they have given us 7, then we have 2 and then we have Y. Here we have 6, then we have 4, then we have D. And then here we have 9, here we have 5, and this is something which we need to figure out. So now please understand, when you look at this, you can see that this entire column will be in terms of alphabets, correct? So now how do you do these kind of situations? Okay, so whenever you come across something like this, you need to always remember that the numbers, these numbers have to be correlated in such way that you get the numerical value of this alphabet. Now what is the numerical value of Y? That means the numerical value is 25. Why? Because Y is the 25th letter in the alphabet. Similarly, instead of D, we need 4. Okay, by doing the operation between 6 and 4. So let's try. First, we'll talk about 7 and 2. We have to arrange it in some way that we get a 25 as the answer. So now, if you look closely, when I subtract both of them and I square this, when I subtract 7 and 2, I get the answer as 5. 5 square gets you 25. So this is correct. Similarly, using the same logic, 6 minus 4, the whole square, that gets you 2 square, which is 4. So here we have 9 minus 5, the whole square, that gets you 4. And 4 square, that gets you 16. So we will try and understand which is the 16th letter in the alphabet. The 16th letter in the alphabet, yes, you all did it right. It is letter P. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.